So in 2018, while attending IMTS, I was approached by Haas to beta test their first ST20Y with Sub-Spindle in it with the new sheet metal. And we were more than happy to take that on and to be able to provide some feedback. Most of what we had we liked. There were a few things that we suggested improvements on, and we saw that in the production machine when it came out, to the point where now we have 3 of those machines on the floor. Hi, I'm Monty Hoffman. I'm the owner of Machined Casting Specialties in Rochester, Indiana. We've been in business since 1997. Our niche is castings. We do bar stock work, we do solids work, but iron castings, aluminum castings is the core of our business. Several of our machines are running a product that we're very proud of, that is out there in a world that a lot of people get to see, and it's some cast iron skillets that we do for a Made in USA company. We run from all the way down to a number 4 all the way up to a number 12 cast iron skillet for this company. We're now working on Dutch ovens. It's been a great relationship. Haas has helped us when we quickly needed to ramp up and add more machines with larger capacity to be able to run larger skillets. They were right there. We had machines delivered, we had them set up, and we were running right away. Another aspect of being able to do these cast iron skillets was the lids that go to the cast iron skillets need knobs, and they came to us to do a specialty bronze knob that goes on the top of these skillets with their logo embossed on it. And we were able to provide this product on a Haas ST20Y, live tooling, Sub-Spindle. We're able to start with round bronze stock with the bar feeder and be able to use our Y-axis to be able to do the engraving of the logo on a spherical surface, and Sub-Spindle to pick it off, do work on the backside to have a finished product come out of the machine. So about a little over 3 years ago, we installed 3 VF4 Super Speeds to do an axle part for a customer. These are production machines. These machines run non-stop, same job every day, and the quality of the Haas machine has just been awesome to us. The most recent addition to our shop was a VF6 Super Speed. The table's large enough that it's now going to be able to perform both Op 10 and Op 20 on the same table without having to pull fixtures out and put new fixtures in. This machine's going to offer up some more opportunities for us that we're looking forward to in the future. Like I said, I started this business back in 1997. I started it from scratch. The Haas machine was an awesome value for me, being my first machine, but it turned out to be more than value. The quality of the machine, the service of the machine, that's why I'm still part of the Haas family. That's why I have 20 Haas machines sitting on this floor.